Begin live session.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. Let me change the
Finish
screen
button.
one sec.
Messages.
Hold on
One new
one
item.
sec.
Logic Pro 10. Finder. Preview. Preview. Rendon underscore Rusty under.
All right, there we go. So on the screen is a PDF document, and I've redacted the majority of the information so that you can't see what state and who the actual client was. And so people email me all the time, one, asking for help, and I'm more than willing to give it. But the biggest question I've gotten all year that I want to answer here is, how do you make money, right? How do you make money? And then the second question, a person writes in and asks for help using their keyboard with iOS, as well as they need some help managing their teaching on iOS. And so we'll get to both of those. The making money part, it's an operative word, and that word is making. You have to go out there and kill it and bring it home. Money just doesn't fall on trees. You guys have all heard that. My parents definitely drilled that into me growing up. Money does not grow on trees. It's made from paper, so it comes from trees, but you just don't grow it in a manner that's passive. Now, there is a thing called passive income, which is what this is. It's money that flows to you from a stream of something that you created or that you sold, and that's the stream of income, and that income could be passive. It's like somebody who works a full-time job and sells Avon, or it's like somebody who works a full-time job and they're a author and they sell their books or their perfume or whatever the case may be. You can have multiple streams of income, and that stands true. For example, this particular invoice that is on the screen is $13,000, right? So $13,000 in 1 month. Multiply that times like 5 in the month. You see how much money that is? That's more money than the average person makes in 1 year. And I'm here to tell you, because it's right there on the screen, that you can do it too, right? And so my goal as an assistive technology coach is to teach you how to master your technology and get it out the way so that you can find or create that work that is meaningful, purposeful, and profitable, right? Meaningful, purposeful, and profitable. I teach technology, right? People all around the world that works for the firm teaches technology. Most of them don't even know each other. I'm in and out of meetings every single day, whether I'm in an Uber and I'm texting, whether I'm in an Uber and I'm on the phone, whether I'm in the Uber and I'm on the computer and the phone and I'm texting. I'm in and out of meetings, but the meeting doesn't have to be in a building. I talk to state directors for vocational rehabilitation, VR counselors, private clients, all day. And some of it is just, hey, your best advice. Some of it is, hey, we got a client. It's a very unique situation. Those are the ones I love. I don't want the cookie cutter, run of the mill situations. I want something that is going to challenge me to be the best that I can be. Right. And so I wake up every morning and I create something called IP, intellectual property. It means I make it up in my mind, I generate a product, and then I sell it to the world. Hence, this particular invoice. And you guys have seen me numerous of times showing you various invoices. It's never, ever to brag. It's never, ever to be boastful. It's never coming out of any other space but love for my community, the disabled community, to show you that you can absolutely, positively make money, but you have to make it. You have to make it. And I can show you testimonial after testimonial of individuals who have went through our teaching and is making money, is living their best life. Living your best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. But anyway, so that's that. This particular other question is about mastering iOS, is what it really boils down to. So They write in and they needed help, which I volunteered to do. And they wanted to know, how do you use your keyboard with your iOS device? And then how do you use iOS is kind of the thing. Always start with a great foundation, a basic working knowledge. And here's what most people do. They grab their assistive technology and they just jump all over the place. 1 minute they're in email, the next minute they're trying to figure out Safari, the next minute they want to know about, the home page, and then they want to do this and they want to do that. Get the foundation down and then move on. It's like playing the saxophone. If I never learn my scales and I just try to jump into playing music, it doesn't work. You get a half-hearted, half-knowing understanding of the technology and how to use it. So I have my Apple keyboard here. I have my phone connected to the mixer. And the first thing that I start with is, number one, use an Apple keyboard. There's plenty of them out there. But use an Apple keyboard. Why? Because it'll give you a very strong foundation. It's made to work with the device. You just turn it on, it pairs automatically, and it just works. Now, again, I have several different keyboards, from solar powered to foldable to whatever, but I've mastered the basics first, the foundation. Second, turn on keyboard help, right? And that is Control, Option, and the letter K. Control and Option are your voice over keys. They will be denoted forever and forevermore as the VO keys. So I'm going to press VOK now on my phone.
2 notifications. Calendar. Group. December 25th. Upcoming event. Starting help. To stop help, perform a 4-finger double tap or 2-finger scrub, or press escape on the keyboard.
All right. And so if you listen to that, which is very fast, but it says basically keyboard help is on. And master your keyboard. Where are your keys at? Where is the J key?
2 notifications. Calendar. Group. December 25th. Upcoming event.
Yeah, I got an upcoming event. Let me get out of that. Hold on one sec. But remember that. Where's the J key? Where's the G
Lock.
key?
Passcode field. 06 values entered. Quick nav off. Video player. Heading. Quick nav on. YouTube.
Face ID. So the J key.
Fedora Outlier LLC folder. 2 apps. 106 new items. Double tap to open. Starting help. To stop help, perform a 4-finger double tap or 2-finger scrub, or press escape on the keyboard. J.
Sorry. All right, so there's the J key. Where's the shift key?
Caps lock off.
Nope, that's caps lock. Where's the shift?
Ring. Caps lock off.
Where is the shift key?
Shift.
All right, there you go.
K.
Space
Space.
bar. Boom, boom,
I,
boom,
L,
boom,
E,
boom,
semicolon,
boom,
S, O,
boom, boom,
Escape.
boom.
K.
All right, and learn your keyboard. Up,
Quick nav. Up arrow. Move to previous. Quick nav. Down arrow.
Down.
Move to quick nav. Left arrow.
Right.
Move. Quick nav. Right arrow. Move to next item.
right? All right, and so learn your keyboard first. I'm gonna press escape and stop it.
Escape. Escape the current context. Stopping help.
And it stops help. So to navigate, VO keys, right? And then you want to go left or right.
Fedora Outlier LLC folder. 2 apps. 106 new items.
That's my
Double tap to
folder.
open.
Double tap to open. VO spacebar will open that.
Entertainment folder. 3 apps.
Entertainment
tap to open.
folder.
Camera. Double tap to open.
Just pressing VO in the right arrow key. Let's say I want to go back. What do you think that is? VO left,
Entertainment folder. 3 apps.
right?
Double tap to open.
And then you have quick nav. I'm gonna turn that on.
Quick nav off. Quick nav
It
on.
was already on. Now I want to navigate by character.
Vertical navigation. Headings. Containers. Sounds. Volume. Speaking rate. Words. Characters. Cap E. N. T. E. R. T. A. I. N. M. E. N. T. Space. F. O. L. D. E. R.
All right.
Romeo.
So entertainment folder,
Fedora Outlier Entertainment folder. 3 apps. Double tap to open.
right? Just say I wanted to open that VO spacebar.
Opening entertainment folder. Entertainment. Heading.
It says it's
Double tap and hold to start
open.
edit books. TV. Audible.
And that's all the
Double tap to
different things that are in the entertainment folder, right? I want to close the entertainment folder, VOH, and go home.
Closing entertainment folder. Entertainment folder. 3 apps.
All
Double-
right. And I'm back in there. It tells me it's 3 apps. It tells me it's a folder. The next thing, after you got the right keyboard, you've mastered where your keys are at, you use VO help, is listen to your screen reader. It told me that it's called the entertainment. It's a folder. There's 3 apps in it. I open it up and there's 3 apps in it. I navigate VO left and right. And so that's super easy once you get the foundation down pat, but you probably are not using your VO keys and knowing how to use them properly. As far as mastering iOS or any other technology, that's what we do. That's why our invoices are so high. is because we actually do this and we get results. And the biggest thing with results is getting you to where you want to be, doing what you want to do, how you want to do it. It's empowerment. It's a mechanism, which is the technology, by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. So listen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video.
I can live. I can live.
Right? And I would like to say to you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. We will see you on the other side of this with our last wrap-up video for the year next week. And let's change the world. I hope this answered your question. And if you want the absolute best teaching from individuals who have the heart of a teacher, contact Fedora Outlier LLC. You know how to reach us everywhere. Let's change the world. And of course, let's change the world together.
Live session.